Welcome to infyGyan, my dear friends. Today in this video, we'll be solving one very interesting and challenging equation from algebra. Given that x belongs to real numbers. So let's get started. We will assume square root x minus 1. Suppose this is equal to a. So let us write square root x minus 1 equal to a. For x to be real, a must be non-negative. So we will write here a should be greater than or equal to 0. Now we will be squaring both sides. So square root x minus 1 whole square equal to a square. Square root and square will get over. So x minus 1 will become a square. Now we will add 1 to both sides. Plus 1 minus 1 will be over. We will get x in terms of a. It is a square plus 1. Now we can replace x in terms of a to our original equation and we will get square root of 3 times a square plus 1 minus 1 plus square root of 5 times a square plus 1 minus 3 plus a equal to 2 square root 2. We'll simplify square root 3a square plus 3 minus 1 plus square root 5a square plus 5 minus 3 plus a equal to 2 square root 2. Now we have condition on a should be greater than or equal to 0. Now we will split this condition in two segments. A should be greater than 0 and a should be equal to 0. Now we will write our equation. Here it is 3a square plus 2. Here 5a square plus 2 plus a equal to 2 root 2. So let me write here square root 3a square plus 2 plus square root 5a square plus 2 plus a equal to 2 square root 2. We have condition on a should be greater than or equal to 0. So let us write either a equal to 0 or a greater than 0. Now we will check our equation at a equal to 0 first. So we will get a square root of 3 times 0 square plus 2 plus a square root of 5 times 0 square plus 2 plus 0 equal to 2 square root 2, which will be equal to root 2 plus root 2 equal to 2 root 2. LHS is 2 root 2, RHS is 2 root 2, LHS equal to RHS, hence A equal to 0 is our real solution. A was our substitution, square root x minus 1. This was equal to A. So I will write if A equal to 0, this was our substitution A. So in this place we can write square root x minus 1 equal to 0. Now we have square root in LHS, we'll be squaring both sides. We will put part 2 in LHS and RHS. Square root and square will get cancelled out. We will get x minus 1 equal to 0 square is 0. Now we will add 1 to both sides. X will become 1. So x equal to 1 is our first real solution. Now we have second case where a is greater than 0. So let me write equation here is square root 3a square plus 2 plus square root 5a square plus 2 plus a equal to 2 root 2. Now we will write one inequality over here. If a is greater than 0, then we can write square root 3a square plus 2 must be greater than square root 2. Similarly, square root 5a square plus 2 must be greater than square root 2. If I will add these two inequalities, I can easily write square root 3a square plus 2 plus square root 5a square plus 2 must be greater than 2 root 2. So this quantity is always greater than 2 root 2. And we are adding one number which is positive. How it will be equal to 2 root 2? Let me write here. Square root 3a square plus 2 plus square root 5a square plus 2 plus a equal to 2 square root 2. Now we can write square root 3a square plus 2 plus square root 5a square plus 2. This quantity is always greater than 2 root 2. And here we have greater than 0 quantity. We are adding these two. How it would be equal to 2 root 2? Is it possible in real numbers? No, it is not. So from here, we won't get any real solution. So I will write no real solutions. So the only accepted real solution would be x equal to 1. Now we are going to check or verify. So we have LHS. It is written over here. We will begin with left hand side. We will write square root. 3 times 1 is 3. So square root 3 minus 1 plus 5 times 1 is 5. So square root 5 minus 3 plus square root 1 minus 1 square root 2 plus square root 2 plus 0 will be equal to 2 root 2. And 2 root 2 is our right hand side. LHS equal to RHS. Hence our solution x equal to 1 is true and verified. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care. Goodbye.